In this video, we will demonstrate how to assemble and operate Dixon's B5107 butterfly valve with pull handle option. To assemble the pull handle, secure the valve in a vise and rotate the valve stem to the fully open position. Align the openings to connect the hub and housing in the fully open position. Slide the hub over the shaft so all three holes align. Insert and fully tighten the set screw to complete the handle installation. To operate the pull handle, pull on the polymer knob and release to the desired position. The handle can lock at the open position, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, or 90 degrees for fully closed. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.